Welcome back. This is Gedi Waro आपके लिए the podcast which is all about automobiles and everything that is happening in the space car industry में. So, actually में मेरे को लगता है कि गेडी मारो की जगह आज होना चाहिए cars and coffee.
हाँ लिटरली यार.
You're also having a cup of coffee. I also have that espresso in my hand.
मुझे बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है कॉफ़ी का.
ऐसा क्या किया रात को?
कुछ नहीं, इवेंट अटेंड कर रहे थे यार. Too
ये
many
कौन
events.
से इवेंट्स हैं?
गाड़ी के लॉन्च तो जो हम बताएंगे आपको अभी.
That's Shivam. My name is Sid. And okay, so since we are talking about cars, now let's dive right in. By the way, what is this newspaper about?
हाँ तो देखो, तुम लैपटॉप लेके बैठे हो और हम पर्चा लेके
तुम
बैठे
फूफा जी बने हुए
हैं.
हो. हाथ में चाय का कप, अखबार सामने, क्या लेकर आए हो?
नहीं नहीं. So I was reading the paper this morning
हाँ.
and
You know, you're the only one
what?
who was reading the paper in the morning. Baki everybody else was scrolling.
No, but you know, I enjoy this.
I also.
I enjoy this.
Yeah.
This, I would say, ritual. Like it just gives me that slow morning. Like I can just, flip
Paper
and
पढ़ के
हाँ,
आराम से
exactly.
get into the groove,
Exactly,
understand
exactly.
where I am.
नहीं पता वो क्या है. It lets me organize my thoughts like
हाँ.
that. It's like meditation almost. कि the brain is doing something that is habitual without thinking. So thought process actually like क्या करना है, किससे फोन करना है, क्या मीटिंग है, like it's organizing itself in that point.
Very deep.
And usually in my day, I don't get time to do anything. So this kind of helps me do that. It's a luxury for me.
Oh, I say, you definitely.
Anyways,
Okay.
coming back to topic.
Coming back to topic.
Philosophy से गाड़िया पे जाते हम.
हाँ हाँ, deep
हमारे
thoughts.
पास में अभी है दुबई to establish driverless taxi zone.
Okay, so what is the thing that was there?
So we are having the Dubai World Congress right now, which is going on.
Correct.
And उनके मुताबिक they want to build a driverless taxi zone from Dubai Creek Harbour,
Okay.
which is the one near Business Bay के उधर. Business Bay नहीं, अपना ये दुबई
जद्दाफ
फेस्टिवल
के
सिटी.
पास.
हाँ, फेस्टिवल
Festival
सिटी
City के पास.
हाँ, उस तरफ, that
Right.
new island that they have built
Exactly.
where their tallest tower is supposed to come or something that way.
Yeah.
Correct?
Creek Harbour.
Creek Harbour, correct.
Yes.
From there to Festival City, which is connected, they want to build an autonomous taxi driving zone.
Okay.
So basically, you can book a taxi that will come pick you up and take you to whatever part of that area you need to go. Self-driving.
So
Autonomous.
this is part one of many things that
Correct.
Dubai is going to do
Correct.
in terms of autonomous driving.
Well, not only Dubai, just the whole of UAE. Because Abu Dhabi also announced that they registered the first car or first delivery vehicle with
Autonomous
delivery vehicle. So
Ah,
they announced
yeah.
that yesterday. Issued
Yeah,
an
yeah,
official
yeah.
number plate. So that's a big step towards Abu Dhabi.
I want to see what color is that number plate now. Is it red and white? Is it green and white? Is it just black? Is it just orange? What is that number plate?
तो वो LA में देखा है, you've seen those videos of those delivery bots?
हाँ.
वो छोटे डब्बे होते हैं जो घूमते रहते हैं.
Correct.
उस सिग्नल के उधर आते हैं, अटक जाते
एक्सपो
हैं.
में भी तो थे वो.
I don't.
एक्सपो सिटी में था ना, where Talabat was going around delivering सारे वो delivery bots के साथ में.
अच्छा, I don't remember that. पर यहाँ पर भी बेसिकली LA में था कि जहाँ पर वो डेव है, क्रेग है, उसका नाम दिया है उनको और वो घूमते रहते हैं, I am Dave, और अटक जाते हैं. I just hope that the tech has evolved more than that, where these things get delivered and work seamlessly.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So that all is happening in the autonomous section.
Correct. There was also another vehicle that is being showed today as we speak, actually yesterday and today at the World Trade Center. Dubai World Congress is on, right? Like I said.
Correct.
And they are unveiling Tensor, which is the world's first robocar.
World's first personally owned robocar.
Correct.
Which is a level 4 autonomous vehicle.
Correct. तो वो आज unveil हो रही है. By the way, they had invited me to come and see the car in person
हाँ.
and also interview the CEO and all, but I said no because I had
Was
to be
AI. ओ तूने बोला मैं चैट जीपीटी से ही बात कर लूंगा.
हाँ, मुझे अपना AI अवतार भेजना चाहिए था वहाँ पर इंटरव्यू करने के लिए.
तू था वहाँ पे. He was also autonomous only.
So, anyways, वो गाड़ी ऑफिशियली अनवील हो गई है एंड वी कैन बाय इट.
Right.
तो अगर आपको सेल्फ ड्राइविंग लेवल 4 ऑटोनोमस गाड़ी चाहिए यूएई में मिलेगी अब.
The interesting part is कि autonomous vehicles के अंदर it's level 5 is the ultimate
Correct.
level, right?
Correct.
This going to level 4 is a big step in itself.
करेक्ट.
So अगर हो रहा है यहाँ पे, the tech is evolving, the lidars and the radars and everything. It's
जरा-
got something around 30 plus
हाँ जरा पढ़ो
cameras
उसका
and
क्या
some
क्या है उसमें.
17 lidars and 5 more cameras on आगे 5 और पीछे. It's kind of like a bazooka in itself, cameras के हिसाब से.
So imagine this. Tesla also has autonomous driving, right? What level was that? If I remember correctly, it had level 4 as well.
No.
No, level 3?
No, I think it was somewhere around level 2, and it has the capability to go up, but they are not upgrading the softwares for that. Okay, so moving on from this autonomous driving
To driving.
to driving.
हाँ,
and driving अपना खुद से.
हाँ, correct.
Okay?
अपने-
अपने हाथों से.
हाँ भाई. आगे
बहुत
बढ़ो.
हो गया ये AI का
हाँ,
चक्कर.
यार बहुत हो गया ये ऑटोनॉमस ड्राइविंग. ये वो हमारे को नौकरी से निकाल देंगे यार सब जगह. मुझे रोबोट भेजना पड़ेगा गाड़ी रिव्यू करने के लिए भाई.
हाँ.
वो कमिंग बैक टू अस एज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स.
देखा कैसे मतलब भाई अपना जॉब बचा रहा है.
100% यार लाजिम है. वी आर अंडर थ्रेट. मेरे को उसको बुलाना पड़ेगा, श्वार्ज़नेगर को फ्यूचर से बुलाना पड़ेगा वापस. इस हिसाब से जा रहे हैं.
वो हो सकता है तू ही निकले. तू अपने आप को ही बुला रहा है.
100% पॉसिबिलिटी तो है ही है.
You have your own AI coming in.
जॉन कॉनर.
Oh, I know. Seriously. Okay.
Anyways, coming back to reality. So you know that Abu Dhabi owns McLaren now,
Yes.
correct?
Of course.
And there was this whole auction where those 20 odd McLarens were auctioned off, which was Mansoor Oja's collection, who
Right.
was also one of the investors in the or racers with the brand back in the time. I think investors in McLaren also back in the day. However, we don't have a McLaren F1 in the UAE.
The F1.
The McLaren
the
F1.
McLaren
Yeah,
F1.
right?
Yeah.
The car, the most
The car.
haloed supercar that is there. We don't have one in the UAE. हमारे पास सब कुछ है. We have the Gordon Murray's T50. We have every CLK GTR. We have MC12. We have Enzos. We have LaFerraris. We have F40, F50. सब गाड़ियाँ except the McLaren F1.
Why?
I don't know why. I think it's too expensive.
Really? Expense? यहाँ पे expensive की बात हो गई है.
हाँ, पर ये
कितना
बाकी-
expensive हो
भाई
सकता है
बाकी
वो?
सब गाड़ियाँ $2-3 मिलियन, $4 मिलियन, $5 मिलियन की होती है.
But जो लोग रखते हैं, collection रखते हैं, उनका तो 100 मिलियन का collection होता है ना?
हाँ, पर 100 मिलियन में वो लोग 50 गाड़ी रख सकते हैं क्योंकि this car.
In itself
Okay.
is a big one, no?
So I'll tell you what, this is the top dog. In today's day and age, the McLaren F1 is the car to have in your collection.
Right.
The only one in the GCC is in Bahrain.
Okay.
Okay. However, during Formula One, RM Sotheby's is bringing Sultan of Brunei. Sorry, Formula One of Abu Dhabi. So RM Sotheby's is bringing Sultan of Brunei's F1 to the UAE to auction off in Abu Dhabi.
So maybe
Maybe somebody
is willing to
buy it, auction to like buy it
Yeah,
auction.
bid for it, no?
Exactly.
Yeah, why not? कितने की होगी?
हाँ, वो मैं आ रहा था. Estimated price is $21 million.
बस.
बस
That's it.
10. कम से कम
अगर 50 से कम है तो मैं बिड भी नहीं मारेगा.
तो रुक ना बाकी लोग जब मारेंगे फिर तो
एग्जैक्टली
50
50 से कम के अंदर में मैं ट्राई भी नहीं करेगा.
नहीं तो सीधा वो पैडल ऊपर करके 50 मिलियन बोल देना, खत्म हो गई बात, कोई आएगा ही नहीं.
आई वांट टू गिव एवरीबॉडी अ चांस.
वाई?
गरीबों में बांटेगा तो.
क्या टायर वायर बांटेगा? एक दवा तू ले, टायर तू ले, स्टीयरिंग व्हील तू लेके जा.
ओके, कमिंग बैक.
But yeah, it's coming to Abu Dhabi, and I hope somebody from the UAE buys that car.
Yeah. So when you say that there's only one in Bahrain, so that is the only one in the GCC itself?
Correct.
So if this one is bought by somebody in Abu Dhabi
Or in
now
UAE,
that,
or in UAE.
So then it becomes first in the UAE and second in the GCC.
Correct. Absolutely spot on. So I hope to see a McLaren F1 in the UAE.
I am gunning for it, bro. It has to be done.
हाँ.
मतलब नाक कट जाएगी नहीं तो अपनी यहाँ पे.
Exactly. नहीं तो हम लोग वो
यहाँ पे ही आके सब कुछ ऑक्शन के अंदर में सब कुछ हम लोग करवा के और फिर वो बाहर निकल जाए. नहीं, I don't think so.
Or we should start a GoFundMe page.
21 मिलियन से स्टार्ट होगा वो.
यूएई की जनता को बोलेंगे आ जाओ भाई, हम आप डालो.
सिर्फ आप 5-5 दिरहम जो है सिर्फ आप वोट ना डालो.
हाँ, हम लोग
That's
इकट्ठे
it.
करके हम लोग जाके ले लेंगे गाड़ी.
10 मिलियन का है, 10 मिलियन को अपना पॉपुलेशन है, 5-5 दिरहम भी सब लोग डालेंगे तो 50 मिलियन हो गया.
दिरहम हो गया भाई, डॉलर की बात हो रही है.
कोई बात नहीं, चलो $10 डाल दो.
हाँ ठीक है, हाँ $10, हाँ बराबर है.
That's it.
That's it. हाँ.
I like it.
We are starting it. I'm not kidding. I will go start this, and you'll have to donate.
Okay, so from Abu Dhabi Formula One, the McLaren Formula One, अब let's go to the Formula One driver, Lewis Hamilton.
यार आपका फेवरेट टॉपिक है यार ये.
Of course, has to be.
मतलब वो क्या हर हफ्ते कुछ कांड करते रहता है क्या? उसको कोई उंगली है क्या?
उस बेचारे के पास में कुछ और है नहीं करने को.
हाँ वो भी है. गाड़ी तो दी नहीं है उसको बराबर से.
8th और 9th पोजीशन फरारी आएगी इन दी अजरबैजान ग्रैंड प्री.
हाँ
तो फिर व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट?
भाई वो ग्रैंड प्री पर मेरे को लगा ठोकम ठाकी ज्यादा हो रही थी और रेस कम हो रहा था.
ऐसे नहीं कहते हैं, ये बहुत गलत साउंड कर रहा है.
अरे एक्सीडेंट यार.
Lots of red flags.
Too many. Even that sounds like a red flag in itself.
It was a red flag. It's the toxic relationship coming out.
We're talking about Lewis and Ferrari.
yeah. But honestly, it was Lewis Hamilton who came out and said कि मेरे को अपनी सारी की सारी collection जो है मेरे को बेचनी है. I'm selling off all of my collection, and I will just wait for the F80 now.
Shuhada. Why?
Just because he wants अपना carbon footprint नीचे करना.
Sorry, what? Repeat?
Carbon footprint अपना नीचे करना.
I mean, जो पिछले 15 साल से वो प्राइवेट जेट लेके इधर घूम रहा है दुनिया भर में, उसका क्या होएगा?
Correct.
हाँ
कुछ नहीं.
हर हफ्ते जो प्लेन लेके घूम रहा है उधर, उसका कार्बन फुटप्रिंट कैसे ऑफसेट होगा? डैमेज तो हो चुका है.
Correct.
तो उसकी गाड़ी वैसे ही चलती नहीं है, चलाता भी नहीं है. तो मतलब वो क्या ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग के लिए जो गाड़ी लेके जाता था वो क्या करेगा अभी? स्कूटर पे जाएगा? नहीं, स्कूटर पे जाएगा. अपनी वो इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर है ना उसकी,
मोपेड वाला, इलेक्ट्रिक वाला.
हाँ वो जो खड़ा रह के घूमते रहता है ना F1 ग्रिड में.
काइंड लाइक जैसे नरातों के अंदर में हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अब हम सिर्फ वेज हो जाएंगे. वो 10 दिन के लिए. उसके बाद में 11वां दिन दशहरा जिस दिन आएगा, उसके बाद में चिकन पाड़ेंगे. पूरा साल हम लोग करेंगे.
क्या बिल्ली चूहे मार के हज को चलिए ना.
100 चूहे खा के बिल्ली हज को चली.
बस वही है. ये लुइस भाई, डोंट बी अ बिल्ली. यू वर अ शेर, नाउ यू ट्रांजिशन टू अ बिल्ली. पर talking about Formula 1, did you see that video which went viral?
Which one?
ये साइंस और लेक्लेक का. लेक्लेक क्या नाम होता है उसका?
लेक्लेरिक.
नहीं निकलता मेरे मुंह से.
Charles बोलते हैं.
Charles.
The other Formula 1 driver from Ferrari, who is better than Lewis.
Say
Say like that.
He's better than Lewis in Ferrari.
In Ferrari.
Yeah. I don't know about other cars, but in Ferrari.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ. The other Formula 1 driver in Ferrari who is better than Lewis.
तो उनका प्राइवेट जेट
हाँ
मोनाको जा रहे थे.
हाँ
बारिश आ गई तो उनके प्राइवेट जेट को लैंड करना था. सो दे वांटेड टू गो होम.
राइट.
पूरे उनके जो 4-5 बंदे हैं वो लोग गए मोनाको. पर कैसे गए पता है? वो वैन रेंट की उसने.
दोनों ने.
हाँ उन्होंने एयरपोर्ट पे वैन रेंट की, व्हाइट कलर की ट्रांजिट टाइप वैन, फोर्ड ट्रांजिट टाइप है, किडनैपर वाली वैन.
नाइस.
वो भगा के वो लोग जा रहे थे.
हाँ.
और चार्ल्स उसका वीडियो निकाल रहा था कि देखो हम लोग कैसे जा रहे हैं.
तुम लोग को लगता है ना कि हम बड़े वो प्राइवेट जेट्स के अंदर फ्लाई करते हैं. दिस इज द रियलिटी, ग्राउंड रियलिटी.
तो दिखा रहा वैन में टनल वनल में जा रहे हैं वो लोग.
हाँ.
एंड इट वेंट वायरल दैट वीडियो.
इट हैज टू.
हाँ इट वाज वेरी वेरी फनी.
Candid.
Very candid. Because you know sometimes the best moments are not in an expensive car. They are in the cheapest car with a manual gearbox which you are pushing to the limit.
Did both of them drive it?
No, it was only Sainz driving it. शार्लबर्ट की वीडियो निकाल रहा था.
बाइक का पोडियम आया तो थोड़ा सा तो ड्राइव बनता है ना उसका भी.
एग्जैक्टली.
थर्ड पोजीशन इतने टाइम के बाद में विलियम्स के पास में आया है.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो फिर
तो बनता है.
एग्जैक्टली.
सेलिब्रेटरी ड्राइव.
एंड फरारी से ही निकला है. फरारी वाला बंदा साथ में है. तो और ज्यादा भड़ास निकाल रहा है.
देख मेरी गाड़ी तेरी गाड़ी से तेज है.
देख इसके अंदर भी मैं चला रहा हूँ.
और ये भी तेरी गाड़ी से तेज है.
ओके, सो मोर ऑन Formula 1.
हाँ.
क्रिस्टियन हॉर्नर याद है आपको?
जी याद है. कैसे पूछ सकते हैं उसको?
टीम प्रिंसिपल जो जुलाई के अंदर जिनको लात मार दी थी रेड बुल से.
यस.
ओके, सो अपेरेंटली उनका सेटलमेंट अब हो रहा है.
अच्छा पैसे मिल रहे हैं.
पैसा मिल रहा है भाई को. एंड नॉट 2-5 करोड़ नहीं. ही इज गेटिंग $100 million एज सेटलमेंट, व्हिच कम्स टू अराउंड 80 million pounds or something like that.
हाँ भाई साहब की तो लॉटरी लगी है.
हाँ. अब ऐसे करके वो भाई अब लेटेगा.
पैर ऊपर करेगा.
हाँ
पैर ऊपर करेगा.
पैर ऊपर करके बिंदास लेटेगा. So now Red Bull is apparently giving him the settlement, plus उसके साथ साथ from next year onwards or the year after, I think he can go into any other company and become the team principal there.
क्या बात कर. अच्छा.
Yeah. So
but I don't think anybody is going to hire him.
Audi ने अभी तक कुछ बताया नहीं है ना. Cadillac has said no, we don't want him. we don't want to go ahead with Christian Horner. But Audi hasn't come out really and
I
said
don't
कि
think
अभी
Audi.
तक
No, Audi's not going to keep him, right? Because Audi's got the Sauber F1 team.
Correct.
And they have the existing team principal, which is Jonathan Wheatley, जो बनेगा अभी उसका team principal. तो
it'll be interesting to see कि अगर वो आएगा तो कहाँ पे जाएगा.
आएगा तो बहुत बदला लेगा यार ये आदमी, खुन्नस से आएगा.
Which is where the fun lies.
ये भाई सास बहू
नहीं तो
का serial-
otherwise it is just a vanilla thing, no?
ये रेस करने आ रहे हैं कि वो सास बहू का ड्रामा करने आते हैं हम यहाँ पर.
बिग बॉस तुमने देखा नहीं है?
ये वही है, ये वही है.
TRP ratings.
It is ड्राइव टू सर्वाइव के लिए बहुत अच्छा है.
हाँ, exactly. It'll get the eyeballs that they need.
करेक्ट, एग्जैक्टली.
Okay.
बट तो फॉर्मूला वन तो हो गया. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू व्हाई वी आर ड्रिंकिंग सो मच कॉफी टुडे.
कल रात से.
कल रात नहीं, पूरा हफ्ता यार, देयर हैज बीन नॉन स्टॉप कार लॉन्चेस.
Quite a few. This
Quite a
week.
few.
Yeah.
Quite a few this week.
Okay. So which ones were you at?
So I went to the Zeekr 7X,
Right. That's the all-electric one.
the all-electric one. Yes. So Zeekr launched a new electric car.
Right.
You went to one last night as well, right?
The BYD Shark.
They did another event about it. They had 2 events back to back.
Yes. So yesterday was the actual launch of the vehicle
हाँ.
for the public.
Okay.
कि अब it's going to be available in the showroom.
Okay.
जो पहले वाला था, it was only for the media guys.
But
हम लोग के लिए.
But the car was covered in camo at the first event, and yesterday it
Exactly.
was
In
completely.
this one, it was completely off.
हाँ. तो what do you think of the car?
I like the car.
You like the car?
I like the car. I think it's just price range के अंदर those guys are taking it out. It's a very smart one.
Okay.
I was expecting it to be more than 200, 250 के आसपास का range का होगा, considering it's a hybrid and ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. They're launching it
Okay.
about 158 or 160 or something like that.
Which is a very, very affordable. Well,
It's a good entry.
It's a good entry price point.
Yeah, for a truck.
Correct.
You know, and it's in that whole Kia वाला जो truck है and
Tasman.
that Tasman,
Ford Ranger.
Ford Ranger, in that category.
And in that Volkswagen Amarok car range.
Exactly. So I think it's a good
Definitely,
space
it can
to
work.
be in.
It can work.
It's a good one. And it's got the capability going off-roading and everything.
वो भाई देखना पड़ेगा.
जो वहां पे उन्होंने ऑब्स्टिकल कोर्स बनाया हुआ था, उसके अंदर वो जा रहा था. मेरे को नहीं
Brother,
मालूम.
that is a very simple course. वो कोई भी कर सकता है.
But it's launched here, so I'm guessing we'll get to know more about
Correct.
it. But looking forward to that one. How was the Zeekr?
So it's a new premium 5-seater CUV, or basically compact SUV.
Right.
Around 180,000 dirhams hai. Looks good. The 001, which was their flagship car, which also looked very good, was very capable, or is very capable.
Right.
So I'm assuming this is going to be as capable as that.
And Zeekr is from China, the luxury segment के अंदर जो आता है. brand.
Luxury premium segment, I would say. Geely
Okay.
का subsidiary है.
हाँ.
So it's like a premium subsidiary of Geely. And Geely already has Polestar, Volvo,
Correct.
Lotus, Redara, Geely cars itself, and I don't know how many other brands. Link,
Correct.
Smart, पता नहीं दुनिया भर के brands हैं उनके पास में.
But they have the knowledge and they have the background of bringing in something premium.
Correct.
They know how to make it look good and work out well.
They have Volvo to get inspired by.
Exactly
So-
my point. And there was another one which you said.
हाँ, so Audi launched the Q5 and SQ5 in UAE officially now.
Okay.
By the way, it's a very big thing for Audi because the Q5 is their largest selling or most popular vehicle across the world.
You won't believe it. कल शाम को I saw the old one.
हाँ,
And I was just wondering, this car looks massive आज भी.
हाँ. Q5,
Huh. I saw the Q7, sorry.
Q7, हाँ.
I saw the Q7, but it still was, it made a presence.
It made a presence.
It was wonderful.
So the Q5 was launched officially in the UAE. You can go test drive it if you want.
Yeah.
A petrol car.
Okay.
Finally, we're talking about petrol cars and not electric vehicles. But overall, it looks good. Let's see how the market responds to it.
Right.
Fingers crossed that it works for Audi because they've had a pretty bad year.
All the very best.
Yes.
Alright, Ji. So now coming to our fastest car in the world.
Seriously, I never thought this day would come.
What is it and where was it and how many kilometers per hour?
So, obviously, we all know this company called BYD.
Yes.
Yang Wang is a subsidiary of BYD.
Correct.
Yang Wang made that car which jumped over the holes. Remember that?
Correct, of course. वो
sports
मुंबई
car.
ट्रैफिक के अंदर जो ऐसे ऐसे
हाँ,
जाने
हाँ,
वाली
हाँ.
थी जैसे हम लोग बात कर रहे थे.
Exactly,
Correct.
exactly. So उन्होंने एक नई वर्जन निकाली उसकी called the U9 Extreme,
Okay.
and that holds the top speed record
Off
of all cars ever.
कितना?
496.66 kilometers per hour.
496.66 also.
Yes, 0.66 या 0.5 ऐसे कुछ है पर 496 point something.
Okay.
They did not cross 500 because I think there was a safety issue, so they had to slow down.
हाँ.
But
The guys are saying कि वो कर सकता है.
हो सकता है.
अगर आपको चाहिए तो वो हम कर देंगे.
So there's a test track in Germany where they did this run.
Right.
And they are building 30 units of this to sell, and it's a road going car. So technically somebody who can, any of the 30 who buy this can go up to 496 kilometers per hour with this car.
Is this a hybrid or an all electric?
All electric. It has broken the production record held by Bugatti, by Koenigsegg, by Rimax, by Hennessy, by anybody else who set a top speed record.
Okay, but I'm just wondering, you can't compare this to a Bugatti, right? Because this is all electric. Bugatti is a petrol car.
Correct.
Petrol engine.
Petrol engine, yes.
So, like, it's like saying कि, you want to compare oranges to apple, right?
Correct, exactly. Yeah.
You can't compare it.
You can't compare.
EVs versus petrol. अगर आप पेट्रोल के अंदर ही इतना निकालो या फिर EVs के साथ, yeah, you can do it with a Rimac. I understand that, but not with a Bugatti Chiron.
Agreed. I completely agree with you on that. But the point being is that Bugatti always said that they were not able to exceed a certain speed limit because of the fact that tires were not able to do that.
True.
They always said the tires were not capable. And every time they did a high-speed run, they had specific tires designed just for that by Michelin.
Right.
Even this car, they have another brand, I think HGTI or something that way,
Right.
who designed tires for them to beat or to reach this speed. So now the whole point comes down to is, okay,
Can Bugatti get those tires and come back on track with a faster lap?
Correct. With the Tourbillon, because the Tourbillon has not set any record yet. The other thing I also want to understand is how long it took for them to reach that, and how long did it take Bugatti to reach their speed.
Right.
I haven't seen the figures yet, but we can definitely look at it and make a comparison with both of them.
जो मेरे को लगता है faster for the electric motor, no, to reach a
Usually
certain
it would
speed.
be the case. Usually that would be the case. But considering the fact that how heavy the car would be, or it would be heavier than a petrol car, it might just take that much longer as well. So I want to see the actual figures.
Right.
I also want to see the figures of Koenigsegg because the Sadis Spear also set some records now. And I think the Rimac Nevera R also set some records.
So that's what I'm saying. The Rimac Nevera R versus this one, you can have a comparison there maybe.
Maybe, yes. But also the Rimac Nevera R is technically an older platform. So let's see how that pans out as well.
That's the whole idea. Compare an EV to an EV. उसके अंदर में you can say कि हाँ, mine is the fastest and now you beat this record. But you can't.
So
Bugatti, I'm taking your side. पैसा देना चाहिए तुम लोग को.
Technically, we're taking Rimax's side as well because I'll say Rimax, now the game is in your court. The ball is in your court to take it further.
तुमको गाड़ी देनी चाहिए Rimac हम लोग को.
But इससे question याद आता है मुझे. If you had to get one hypercar, what would you get from all of this?
Tarzan the Wonder Car.
तू वापस टार्जन पे आ जाता है हमेशा.
Because it's the hypercar.
It is not a hypercar. उसमें
Bro,
आत्मा है.
तूने देखा है वो गाड़ी कैसे चलती है? वो गाड़ी ट्रांसफॉर्म होती है.
चप मारती, उल्टा पलटी
वो
मारती
सब
है.
कुछ करते हैं जो Yang Wang नहीं कर सकती थी.
That is a true inspiration for Yang Wang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what about you?
To be on.
Oh.
Always.
To
Bugatti.
be on.
Always.
To be on.
Yes, exactly.
Okay जी. So on that note, you also let us know कि आपको कौन सी वाली गाड़ी, if you had to choose a hypercar, which one would you go in for?
Let us know in the comments and we will see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching Gedi Maro.
City 1016.